Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching Mind Express. In this video I've got this tabletop, this one here, Parkside Workbench or the Worktop, whatever you like to call it. So I'm just doing the installation at the moment. As you can see, I've got all of these screws in and I'm just gonna put them all together. This installation is in progress at the moment. Just following some instructions from this booklet, which has all of these instructions over here. I'm just sort of trying to build the whole thing. You must have seen on the other video where I've done the unboxing of the specific item. So the installation is currently underway. This is nearly done, and we've got the other side that is currently in progress, so that's also done. So you've got this tabletop currently installed, and I can give you a quick look at so this has been installed. So at the moment this is how it looks. So it should be a fairly simple installation. I need to just get the legs up and running and get that installed as well on this specific, on each of the sides really, just to get the angle right. So yeah, so what we've done is we've installed the two legs, number 3 and number 5, as per the installation manual or the user guide. So we've done this installation here. We've got these the longer screws installed. It needed my drill machine with the wrench thing, and this one that was supplied, it says number 10, so just use number 10 really on that, number 13 sorry, and number 10 is at the back. So I've got both of these ready for use, and there's 2 more legs to be installed. There's also these feet that are to be installed, so there's a fair bit of installation that goes on, so a couple of hours really for the whole installation to complete. Okay, so all the 4 legs are now installed. I'm just tightening the screws and stuff. So just giving it a little bit of a push and then not an easy job, but I've got to do it. Is it stuck? Yeah, looks good. And on the other side, pretty much the same. Drill on the other side. Looks good. And this one is not had its fair share of the other side. There we have it, nice and tight. Let's see if it can be folded away. Yep, that's all. A fair bit. So as you can see, this can be folded pretty much like that one. Why is it so tight? Yeah, there we are. Can be folded like so. I just need to tighten this one a bit, just a tiny bit, to make it nice and slick. Yep, this is good enough. setting here. Let's open this up. Go all the way, nice and straight to the end, and open this up nice and straight to the end. So you've got a table structure now going on. Okay, and finally here's the finished product. As you can see, we've got it all fully installed with its all of these modular fixings which you can use when you are, let's say, cutting wood. You've got your circular saw or other hand saw, etc. in use. You can do all these adjustments using these rotary tool, and then you can have your wood or whatever you're working on with placed in the middle or at a certain distance. Then you can do some adjustments here just to sort of make them, let's say, bring the two together close to each other, and you can do the necessary adjustment using this rotary tool. So this whole piece works together, and obviously you've got this big scale which you use for measurements and so on. And you can keep the wood here, and you can do all your necessary measurements. This goes up to 60 centimeters. Yep, 60 centimeters. But it can also fade away, is what I feel, because I had this upside down and it's already like sort of fading away on this side. All in all, it's a nice and sturdy tool. You just need to make sure that the bottom, these four things, are like nicely properly installed at the flat, because they are like at an angle, so you have to obviously make sure each of the angles are facing outwards. The bigger part of the rubber is facing upwards, which can give you a balanced setup, and it's also very sturdy. It does support 150 kilos, is something that I can assure. And yeah, this is pretty much the finished product after the full installation. If you've got any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. And as always, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.